drilling holes in the tile for the screws for the U-channel. Putting mollies into the tile. Taking my rubber mallet, pounding mollies into the tile. Putting silicone in the holes drilled. Double check to make sure this is plumb. Make sure it's plumb. So our panel will be plumb. Bit first because it's just easier for me to start the hole and hone it out with a masonry bit. Go over it again to make sure there's plenty of silicone in the molly and around the hole. Then we drill our screws down into the hole, securing the U-channel. I want to make sure it's still centered, and it is. Now, to seal it up even more, we go over the screw head with more silicone. And we do this to make sure it's sealed, so water does not get down into that hole. And we also put silicone in the corner, keeps the water away from that grout. We take our shims that our glass will sit on, stick that into the U-channel. 1/2-inch glass, it's 2 shims. And I put them back down there. Then the glass will sit on top of that, so we don't have to worry about the glass hitting the screw heads that are in here, and makes it so water can flow. Now we go get the panel and we'll just set it into place and make sure it's plumb once we put it in. And then if we need to make it plumb, we put shims. We add shims to our shims that are already down. Now that the U-channel is set, we are ready to set our panel into the U-channel. We need to check and see if it's plumb.
It's plumb.
It's plumb, so we don't need to do any shimming or anything. We just need to tuck our shims in here. Tuck them in. Make sure we're flush.
We put 30-second shims
In between the glass.
between the glass and the metal.
And that way it helps secure the glass. Right now, after we put them in, it'd be very hard for us to pull this out. And we silicone between the metal and the tile, and we also silicone the glass to the metal, so it's completely sealed. And that is how you install a 1/2-inch heavy glass panel into U-channel. And now we just need to inform the customer that they need to wait 24 hours to use it.